welcome back. It's me as another Disney princess. My other wig I did not mention is from Powder Room D. This one is Wig is Fashion, and I braided it. It doesn't look too hot because this is a very old wig, but enough about that. We are doing another Disney princess makeup look, two-parted, one normal, one gore, for the fun of it, because once again I have nothing else to do in this quarantine, so why not? So we got the wig on. Let's just get right on into it. I am again gonna kind of like quickly go over my base makeup just to keep these two-parted videos quick and not like 3 hours long. But other than that, we're just gonna get in it, so let's just see what happens. So starting off, gonna go on with my brows, but she does have some pretty light brows because obviously she's very blonde and I am very brunette. But I'm gonna go with my brow powders. Got them all. I usually use soft brown and medium brown, but I think I'm gonna go in with taupe and see if that will cover my eyebrows, just so we can get them lighter. And we're also going to prime our eyebrows because we are using powders. So these eyebrows look very thin. I mean, not really, but I did get them pretty light, so that's cool. So next I'm gonna do my base. I'm just gonna speed this up for ya. It is in past videos if you really want a more in-depth how I do my base makeup. Now that majority of our base is down, all we got left is really the highlighter. Elsa and Anna, who I also do want to do, have freckles. So I have a tiny brush, I have this chocolate gel liner, but I also have this Gimme Brow liquid gel thingy, whatever. I'm gonna try to make just a little bit freckles just right on top of her nose, ever so slightly. So here are the freckles. I just used the Gimme Brow. I didn't even touch the gel liner, but this is what the freckles look like. Just a little bit of freckles. But now we'll get on to highlighting. Alright, so our base is done, our highlight is done, our freckles are done. It is time for eyeshadow. But first, prime your eyes. I use concealer. So with eyes primed, my go-to to set is from Controversy palette, Cry on My Couch. With that done, what better palette to do the pinks and purples of Elsa's eyeshadow than the handy dandy Bloodless palette. I'm gonna start with Royal Pain. On a small brush, start that in the inner corner and blend it into the crease. I'm gonna go in my Conspiracy palette and take a little bit of Tanacon and help that pink kind of just blend out, just right on this fluffy brush. Now to get in it with some purple, I'm just gonna start off with Blood Queen, just get right in the purple, why not? Well, that's that all blended out. I was having some technical difficulties with blending that. I don't understand why. So I was debating on doing a cut crease, but I don't think I am. And I'm gonna take Wet Jewel and put that right through here, just on my finger. Now we got the top of our eyeshadow. Time to go in with the jumbo pencil for NYX and Milk to just make our waterline and our eyes appear bigger, because Elsa's got some big eyes. Oh, now we look weird. But I'm gonna go back in and take Royal Pain and make that fake waterline. Here's that fake waterline. I did take a little bit of Blood Queen and go right on the outer edges. I'm gonna go off camera because I need a mirror 2 inches away from my face to do some baby liner. But I'll be back. I'm back with some eyeliner on. We are gonna put mascara on, and we are almost done. I actually forgot to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Time for Conspiracy. A ranch. It's like my favorite thing to highlight, and somehow I always forget it. Take some liquid highlight on the pink. Eyelash time. Well, here is normal Elsa, all done. Well, I like this a lot, actually. Well, since I'm done with this, time for lunch, and then I'll be back for making her gory, which, stay tuned. Oh, hello there. I'm back from lunch, photos, and TikTok. I am satisfied. But so, what I have planned is Frostbite. Kind of cliche, but works. Gonna use some liquid latex. I actually bought this to use on a guest. It's better than the stuff I have from Spirit, which is all that matters. So I'm basically going to put a few layers of this on in different places. I'm thinking like here, my cheeks, my chin, and maybe some on my neck. to include this because I've realized I don't have costumes. And I don't have the time, energy, or patience to paint costumes on every single time. So, when in doubt, I'm just not. Hope you guys are okay with that. But any hoodles, yoo-hoo, big slow blow up. Get one of this. A tunk, a tunk, a tunk. I did no test run with this. I think I'm gonna stop with my chin. I feel like if I mess up the chin, that's the easiest to like recover. But this is a latex, very liquidy. I mean, it is liquid latex, so I guess it's okay. And I'm gonna need a hairdryer, cause yes, I'm impatient. Well, time to just... So, it's dry, but I'm taking these little tweezers and I'm kind of just pinch and pulling. I'm gonna paint it bloody anyways. I didn't do these ones as thick, because this one's really thick. I kind of want that. Little tip, when it's not as thick, it hurts. Now that I kind of know what I'm doing, now I'm going to start on and do like my nose. Oh well, the rest of this is kind of drying. I'm going to, this is my least favorite because I did it too thick. I like these. Taking this flesh colored and red colored little stipple sponge. Take some of these warm reds and let's get into shading. I'm gonna take the black and a really thin brush and just like where the these are, put a little bit of black in it and do that. And here. I have no rhyme or reason for anything I'm doing. I'm just kind of doing stuff. Just to let you know. I'm going to take some dark blue. Now I'm putting blood paste and stippling blood on top. Grab some blood. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like to see more of these Disney princess makeup looks, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up, even though I suck at recording these things. I don't know when I'm gonna learn, but I'm gonna learn eventually. If you want to check out final photos or just any of my stuff in general, check out my Instagram at makeupbyline16. But yeah, that is it. I'll see you later. Bye. I realize I can't do anything with this hand. I'm an idiot. Ow, I just stabbed myself. I don't know what hurts more, this or the fact that I just stabbed myself with these tweezers. I'm missing my brush. Loki, like honestly though, where is it? I hope you guys. Gross. If you'd like to see some, I'm just gonna redo that. Deuces. I'll see you later.